Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this session we will discuss the merge opportunity PDF. Okay. So the client requirement is that let's say I'm writing the requirement of client. Okay. So the client requirement is that in opportunity there is notes and attachment section. Okay. And in this notes and attachment section where client upload PDFs. Okay, their client upload PDFs. What they want when click on button from quick action. Okay, let's say button name is merge PDF. When click on merge PDF, immediately the two PDFs, more than one PDF which has been uploaded would be merged in a single PDF. Okay, the requirement is that. Okay, so let's take a demo of this. You will see in opportunity. I'm in my Salesforce org and I'm clicking just object text opportunities, and I'm just opening the record that is Woodlington Textile Weaving Plant Generator. When I click on this opportunity, you will see that there is notes and attachment section here. Okay, it's just reloading the page. Okay, yeah, it's the notes and attachment section where I have added two PDFs in that. Okay. So the client requirement is that when I click on merge PDF from the quick action, here's a quick action button, and in the quick action button there is a merge PDF. When I click on this merge PDF, immediately the two PDFs, more than one PDFs, will be merged in a single PDF and it's get downloaded. Okay. When I click on merge PDF, would link it its opportunity name, this opportunity, and click on this button merge PDF. It says that successfully merged two PDFs and the merged PDFs downloaded is here. Okay. And this merged with the two documents, that is PillowSoft interview questions. Second is resume. The two PDFs merged in a single PDF. Okay. And this is the overall document over there, PDF identified tools. Okay. And when I click on this merge PDF 3, you will see the merged PDF has been downloaded also. Here's a resume. Okay, let's implement that functionality in my new org. So I'm just landing in the new org where you will see a testing opportunity here, and there is no notes PDFs here, and there is no merge PDF button also. So let's implement this from scratch. How I build them? Okay, firstly you need to create a Apex class. Okay, just click on the developer console. Okay, see here. Just click on new Apex class. Okay, just label it name as, here it's my whole code, that is Apex class and the LWC component. Firstly, we'll create Apex class PDF merge controller. This is the Apex class name. You can write whatever you want. Okay, I'm just creating PDF merge controller and copy the all code. Okay, this is the code of PDF merge controller. Okay, here is some copy all the code. Okay, just pasted it here. So this is the code of PDF merge controller where I use the content documents ID linked to the opportunity, that is record ID, because I'm in the particular object I am using opportunity. So that's why I link this opportunity. Okay. Okay. So for that particular ID. Okay. So This is the content document link and content document versions here it is, and the PDF blobs for this. This is the opportunity name, getting the string of recorder for the particular whatever object you want, you can rename this in this code. Okay, and take an exceptions over there. So this is the overall code of the uh, merge PDF controller, and I want to create a LWC component also. So I'm just opening a Lightning Studio for the time being, or is just I need to copy paste the component over there. Okay, so this is the Lightning Studio. Let me go to the LWC component, that is PDF Merge. I'm just copy the name and new, click on new Lightning Web Components. Component name is PDF Merger. Master level is PDF Merchant. Target name, let's say right now it's app page, home page, and record page. And is exposed. Do you want CSS file? Yes. Includes SVG file? Yes. Deploy all this. Click on deploy. So the file PDF merger has been created. This includes HTML, JS, and meta.xml, CS, and SVG file. Okay. So first we target about the HTML version. Okay. Just copy the HTML code. I just provide all the code in the description box or in my GitHub code. You can refer there from there. Okay. Just copy all the HTML version, paste it here. You will see this is the HTML code of merge document PDF, where I use a PDF files, identifiers, files count, how many files count, and PDF buttons. Click on PDF with the lightning spinner will be run and the play will be download over there. Again, so I'm just adding the JS file also in the LWC component. Okay, just open this. This is the JS component. I'm just copy all the JS component in my new org, just in my new org. Sorry, this is the VJS. Okay, yeah, this is the, and the last one is XML file. Yeah, this is the XML file. I'm just adding the XML file in my new meta XML. This is the meta XML. Okay, so just deploy all the things. You just need to save, Control S. Do you want to save the changes? Yes. Click on save. Okay. What's happening? Please research the log panel for more details. PDF merge deployment status. Invalid PDF lib. PDF merge source. Okay. PDF lib. Okay. I just need to add a library also file for the PDF rendering in the static resources. Okay. So here PDF lib. Okay. Go to static resources. I'm just opening. Yeah. Go to setup. Static resource. In the quick find box, search static resources. Here it is. Click on this static resources. You just need to add one static resources of PDF lib. Yeah, the label it text map PDF. Yeah, PDF lib. Yeah, this is the label. Choose file. I will give this PDF lib file also. This is the JS file of the XML JavaScript file of the PDF library for rendering purpose. Okay, I'm adding this in the my GitHub components or in the description box also. Okay, just make it as public and save. Okay, this has to be done. Okay, let's check once again. Control S, save. Deployment source has been off source deployed. Same thing for the JS components. Deployed and meta XML. This has been deployed for all things. Okay, source deployed to org. This has to deploy. PDF merger has been deployed. Okay, let's go back to my opportunities. Okay, refresh this page. Yes, you just need to create a quick action button in opportunity so that whenever you click on button, automatically PDF has been rendered. Click on edit object. And in the opportunity object manager, you will see a button links and action. Click on this button links and actions. Okay. So in that button links action, you will see a new action over there. Okay, just click on this new action. Okay. Action type is my lightning components. Sorry, lightning web components. PDF merger. Here it is, PDF merger. Just like this. Label it is name as PDF merging. Let's suppose if you want to add an icon, you can simply add it. Otherwise, left it blank. PDF merging and click save. Okay. So this has done PDF merging. Just you need to add a layout. Click on this page layout. You will see opportunity layout. Just click on this opportunity layout, and you will see a mobile and lighting application. No, that is PDF merging. Here it is. In the mobile and lighting app actions, you will see PDF merging. Just you need to add in the Salesforce mobile and lighting experience actions. Click save. Automatically the button will be visible on the opportunity quick action button. Okay, layout. Just you need to click on testing opportunity. Here you will see a PDF merging will be shown. Okay, just let's test it once again. Once click on this upload file. I'm just uploading my resume, and first is resume. Okay, resume has been attached PDF. One more, let's say I'm uploading one more file. Let's go my to scenario based question where it is. Let's go on scenario based question. Let's add this one PDF file. TCS Salesforce Developer Interview Questions. Okay, I'm adding both files. Where two files are to be added. Let's go back to testing opportunity. PDF has been updated. PDF merging button is when you click on this PDF merging, you will see opportunity name is testing opportunity. This one. Click on merge PDF. Okay, PDF identified tools. Okay, and it's successfully merged 4, and some network issue. I think that's it's not low upload loading. Okay, just click on this PDF. You will see the automatically PDF has been done, added, and resume also be merged. Okay, so this is the basic overall how to be merged PDF in a single opportunity if you have used more than one PDFs basically. So I hope you will like this video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the future updates. Thank you guys.